Okay, well, today is my son's birthday, and we got his truck done. We're outside. We got some snow, and we've got his truck completed, and we're gonna have some fun. Are we gonna have some fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna take this truck out and we're gonna tear up some snow in the back half of the yard, and we're gonna have a blast. So hopefully you enjoy this fun video. Here we go. Ready, bud?
Yep.
Let's do it. Did you have fun talking to Medic today?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Can you give him a thumbs up?
Thumb